Hello folks, today what we're going to be making is instant pickles. This recipe, it's real easy, simple, and it's pretty tasty. My wife got this recipe from my mom, and my mom got it from my grandma. I don't know where she had got it from, but let's get started. There's what we got right there. We got a cup of vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 7 cups of cucumbers, and we didn't put no pepper rings in this time, but you can add pepper rings also. A cup of onions sliced, and it'll be a teaspoon of celery seed. Like I said, it's real easy. You just mix everything together, stir it until it's dissolved. There she's slicing up the cucumbers. Shug, watch your fingers. We don't need no hospital visits. Careful. Perfect. Here, I think she's slicing up some onions. Alrighty, now we're just going to fill up the jar. Yeah, let's layer it a little bit there. If we got any of them onions left, that'd be good on a sandwich. Push it down in there, pack it down. Now we're just going to pour in the liquid, the brine I guess you would call it. And then all you got to do is just add it put it in the refrigerator and let it sit. And we usually start eating on it the next day. And then just the longer it sits, the better they'll taste. Pretty, ain't it? Folks, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. If you think your friends might like some of this stuff, share it with them. And you all have a blessed day. And I'd like to thank y'all again for watching. Bye.